What's up, guys? Welcome back to another quick video. This is Alex, MTV Alex, and look at what I just saw a video from Camp Central. And it seems like Schwinn is still coming back. In this case, they gotta come back with a Schwinn Taff Comp. It's kind of like the name is kind of like a mix between the Taff and the aluminum Comp, but this bike is totally different. So let's look at this thing real quick. So for starters, it's a 29-inch wheel. It has quick release at the front as well as at the rear. It has two-tone paint, and it seems to be like a matte red and a matte black, which in my opinion looks amazing. 740 millimeter handlebars with 31.8 millimeter diameter. Group set, we have a Pro Rush group set, pretty much like the and it's also a freewheel. This is just like the ones on the Mongoose Otter, Ledge, and those new bikes. It's the same thing. It has a 13 to 40. Actually, this is a bigger range freewheel. 13 to 40 tooth freewheel. And let's see what else we have. Just the standard 29-inch fork. Nothing fancy about it. It doesn't have any adjustments or preloads or anything like that. As you can see, we also have the taper head tube. The seat tube is 31.9 millimeter diameter, so it's a regular, and it's also dropper ready. It actually has the little hole for the dropper post right there. So this is a really good bike. And the price, let's look at the price, because the price is only $348 at Walmart. And for that price, the big range freewheel, this is a really good slate for upgrades. It doesn't look that bad at all, and I actually like the color scheme. Like I said, Camp Central just posted this video. Of course, it's a one buy, and you have disc up front and rear just like any other Schwinn lately. And this is a really nice bike. Can't wait to see how many of you guys are gonna get it out there. Look at the graphics. At the moment, I can't tell if I'm gonna get another bike anytime soon, but I just wanted to send this one out. Hopefully you like it. Let me know what you think down in the comments. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. If you want to support the channel, there's a link down in the descriptions. Other than that, that is it for this one, guys. Go ahead. It's live. It's 8:31 p.m. and this bike is actually available right now. So get your hands on this real quick, and I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.